The story of life on Earth is a tale of endless invention, a saga that stretches back hundreds of millions of years, filled with creatures both familiar and utterly alien to us today. With evolution as its master artist, nature has sculpted creatures of astonishing form and function, each uniquely adapted to survive in their own time and place. Some of these beings, like the remarkable Ouranosaurus, are known only through fossils, silent remnants of a world long vanished, preserved in stone for millions of years. Ouranosaurus, whose name means brave lizard, stands out as one of the most peculiar and fascinating dinosaurs ever discovered by science. Imagine a gentle, plant-eating giant, peacefully grazing among its herd, yet bearing a dramatic sail rising from its back, a living banner among the giants of its era, catching the light and the imagination. Its fossilized bones, first unearthed in the scorching sands of the Sahara Desert, stunned paleontologists with their uniqueness and hinted at a creature unlike any seen before. The name Ouranosaurus honors both the resilient Tuareg people of the Sahara and the creature's sky-reaching sail, a feature that continues to puzzle and inspire scientists. This extraordinary dinosaur challenges our ideas of what dinosaurs could be, reminding us of the vast diversity and creativity of prehistoric life that once flourished on our planet. For every famous dinosaur we know, there are countless others, each with their own mysteries, waiting to be uncovered and understood by future generations. Ouranosaurus invites us to explore evolution's boundless creativity and the puzzles left behind in stone, challenging us to imagine worlds lost to time. Its story is a testament to the beautiful complexity and wonder of the natural world, a reminder that Earth's past is filled with surprises waiting to be discovered. To find Ouranosaurus, we travel back 112 million years to the early Cretaceous, when Africa was lush and teeming with life. Its fossils were discovered in Niger, now desert, but then a landscape of wetlands and vast river systems. This green world was home to giant crocodiles like Sarcosuchus, soaring pterosaurs, and predatory dinosaurs such as Suchomimus and Carcharodontosaurus. Ouranosaurus thrived among these giants, grazing on abundant vegetation. Its presence in Africa reveals how Iguanodon dinosaurs spread across ancient continents. Each fossil helps us reconstruct the lost geography and ecology of our planet's distant past. Ouranosaurus is a crucial piece in the puzzle of dinosaur evolution. Ouranosaurus was a large iguanodontian dinosaur, measuring about 8 meters in length from its beak to the tip of its tail. It weighed several tons, making it one of the more imposing herbivores of its time, able to move steadily across the ancient floodplains. Ouranosaurus could walk on all fours for stability while grazing, but it was also capable of rising up onto its hind legs, giving it both stability and surprising agility for such a large animal. Its most striking and unmistakable feature was the sail, a row of tall, neural spines covered in skin, forming a dramatic crest that ran along its back and set it apart from other dinosaurs. The head of Ouranosaurus was long and flat, ending in a broad, toothless beak that was perfectly adapted for cropping low-lying plants and soft vegetation. Behind this beak, rows of grinding teeth worked efficiently to process tough, fibrous prehistoric plants, allowing it to thrive on a diet that many other animals couldn't handle. Its strong forelimbs were equipped with a distinctive thumb spike, likely used for defense or foraging, and hoof-like fingers that made it a versatile and resourceful herbivore in its environment. The tall sail dominated its silhouette, making Ouranosaurus instantly recognizable even from a distance, and possibly serving as a display structure or for regulating body temperature. This unique combination of features paints a vivid picture of a highly adapted, efficient plant eater, perfectly suited to the lush green world of the Cretaceous period. Yet, the true purpose of the sail remains a mystery, a biological billboard that continues to fascinate and puzzle scientists, inviting new theories and discoveries with every fossil unearthed. Ouranosaurus spent its days foraging for food and avoiding predators. Its wide beak gathered mouthfuls of ferns, horsetails, and cycads from the floodplains. A unique jaw mechanism allowed it to grind tough plants efficiently, unlocking vital nutrients. To sustain its size, it likely spent most of its time eating. Evidence suggests Ouranosaurus lived in herds, gaining safety in numbers and deterring predators. Herd life may have involved complex social behaviors, possibly signaled by their sails. These groups moved through the wetlands, following seasonal plant growth. The sail might have helped individuals recognize each other or establish dominance. Life was a balance of peaceful grazing and constant vigilance. The image of a herd, sails catching the sun, offers a vivid glimpse into its world. The sail of Ouranosaurus is one of paleontology's great mysteries. Why evolve such a large, conspicuous structure? Some scientists suggest it helped regulate body temperature, acting as a radiator to absorb or release heat. Others believe it was a display structure, brightly colored, used for communication, attracting mates or intimidating rivals. Another theory proposes the sail was actually a fatty hump, storing energy for lean times. Each idea offers a different window into the life of this extraordinary dinosaur. The thermoregulation theory is certainly appealing, suggesting that the sail helped regulate body temperature. However, the evidence supporting this idea is mixed at best. Other large dinosaurs living in the same harsh, sun-baked environments didn't have sails at all. This raises questions about whether thermoregulation was truly the main function of these impressive structures. When we look closely at the fossilized bone structure, we don't see the extensive networks of blood vessels that we'd expect if the sail acted as a heat exchanger, like the ears of an elephant or the frill of a lizard. Instead, the display theory has gained significant traction among paleontologists. A large, colorful sail could have been a powerful tool for social signaling, helping individuals recognize each other, intimidate rivals, or attract potential mates during the breeding season. Sexual selection may have driven the evolution of ever larger and more elaborate sails, much like the extravagant feathers of a peacock or the antlers of a deer, where bigger and brighter features often mean better chances of reproductive success. Some scientists have proposed the fatty hump idea, drawing parallels with camels and bison that store energy in their humps. But the thin, tall spines of Ouranosaurus seem far better suited for supporting a sail than for holding large, fat reserves. It's likely that the sail served multiple purposes, perhaps acting as a display, providing some degree of thermoregulation, and maybe even more functions we haven't yet imagined. In nature, features rarely evolve for just one job. Often, a single adaptation can serve several roles depending on the situation and the needs of the animal. The sail stands as a true masterpiece of evolutionary compromise, a striking example of how form and function can blend in unexpected ways. Its true purpose may forever remain a fascinating blend of science, imagination, and speculation, reminding us how much there is still to discover about the ancient world. Comparing Ouranosaurus to its relatives reveals evolution's creativity. Its cousin Iguanodon shared the thumb spike and beaked mouth, but lacked the dramatic sail. This difference suggests the sail was a unique adaptation, likely for display rather than temperature control. Spinosaurus, another North African dinosaur, also had a sail, but for different reasons, possibly aiding its semi-aquatic lifestyle. Ouranosaurus, a peaceful herbivore, developed its sail under different evolutionary pressures. Even among close relatives, nature finds diverse solutions to survival. The sail sets Ouranosaurus apart from both its kin and other dinosaurs. It remains one of the most distinctive silhouettes in prehistory. Ouranosaurus, extinct for over 100 million years, still inspires wonder. Its fossils offer a window into a world of evolutionary innovation and biodiversity. The sail, whether for display or survival, shows how adaptation shapes life in unexpected ways. Ouranosaurus reminds us that dinosaurs were complex animals, part of intricate ecosystems. To understand it, we must consider its world, climate, predators, and social life. The brave lizard of the Sahara is a symbol of evolution's creativity and the enduring mysteries of the past. Its story urges us to keep exploring, questioning, and marveling at life's endless possibilities.